If you're ready to start processing full-size projects, but you're limited on space or budget, you're going to want to stick around. They say to find a need and fill it. And while historically Industrial CNC has been recognized as a world-leading manufacturer of large-sized industrial-grade systems, inevitably, we were approached by customers needing smaller-sized routers capable of outputting the occasional full-sheet project. So now we had the challenge: engineering a production-grade table with the capacity to process full-sized sheets while maintaining a footprint and budget that's designed to fit the workload of smaller production shops. We heeded the call and went to work. And our engineers scoffed at the idea of designing a lightweight hobby class system. We bucked the trend of using a wimpy little ball screw drive system that's run from an inefficient little DSP or handheld controller. That's just not how we do things around here. The Apprentice 404, this guy packs a powerful punch. It's been designed, engineered, and built to the exact specifications as our larger production grade systems. So if you're ready to take your shop to the next level, let's head on over and check it out. To compete today, it's imperative that you get everything that you can out of all that you've got. And there is no better tool for turning out full-size jobs from small spaces than Industrial CNC's 4x4 CNC router system, the Apprentice 404. So let's take a look at this mid-sized system from the ground up. Like all of our Pro Series systems, the Apprentice 404 is built on a military-grade 4x4 stress-annealed welded steel frame. This frame supports a full 65-inch by 55-inch material envelope with an open architecture work area that's capable of processing full-sized 4-foot by 8-foot sheets. The Apprentice 404 comes standard with the T-slot hold-down system that's shown here, and we also offer an optional vacuum hold-down bed. The Gantry drive incorporates our PosiTrack dual drive system. This system uses digitally tuned dynamic NEMA 34 motors on both sides of the gantry. This allows you speeds and accuracies that leave others left in the dust. Massive 25mm linear rails with fully supported inversion rack and pinions allow for smooth finishes on parts that require the finest detail and accuracy. This frame, bed, and drive system structure is aerospace milled and optimized through finite elemental testing and resonance elimination protocols, all which ensure you the most stable foundation available. Like all of our Pro Series systems, the 404 features 12 inches of standard gantry clearance, allowing you to process materials up to 12 inches thick. While others rely on cheap, lightweight aluminum gantries, what you're looking at here is an 8-inch structural steel gantry beam. It's supported by 2-inch thick solid plate gantry uprights. The 4x4 comes standard with features that the others consider upgrades. Demanding more than little off-the-shelf router heads or these old-fashioned air and fan-cooled spindles, this system features our high-frequency, variable speed, liquid-cooled spindle. This is a self-contained reservoir-fed cooling system. It's designed for a lifetime of continuous, quiet, maintenance-free operation, all while chewing through the widest range of materials. Everything from woods, plastics, aluminums, solid surface materials, foams, and more. Included is the spindle-mounted dust collection attachment. This is also known as a dust shoe. It utilizes a quick-release gate and has a 4-inch ejection port for attaching to your dust collection system or your shop vac. Our ProFlex cable carrier wire chain ensures all of your cables and hoses are kept enclosed and tangle-free. Digital and mechanical limit switches function on all axes. The removable control box houses all of the electronics in an easily accessible and modular plug-and-play setup. And let's not forget our Windows-based control system software. It's point-and-click, easy to use, and you can transfer files to your router on a wireless local network or easily use external file transfer devices. Like our entire Pro Series system lineup, The 404 is backed with the longest, strongest bulletproof warranty, free lifetime technical support, and it's got unmatched affordability. Engineering a mid-sized production-grade system that offers an industrial build while being mindful of a budget-friendly price point, it wasn't easy. But based on decades of our customers' successes, I'd say the Apprentice 404 has really hit the mark and filled the need. The only question left is, what will you create with yours?